So here we will create an account first in Visual Studio. So the name will be demo, and we will use Git to add our version control and continue. Oh, so DevOps demo. How about this one? 0. Have created the account and project. Now we're going to push an existing repository to the from command line to our to the Visual Studio. So let's see the overview. Now this is the Git we're going to push. So let's clone it first into a directory named HOL, and it'll take some time. Okay, so cd into this and remove the remote origin, and then from here we can add this origin and push into our Visual Studio team service. Oh, it will ask the username. It will be okay. Now we can see the code of the commit history and the README file, and we can go to the dashboard to see the overview of this project, because we currently don't have anything. And when it looks at the initial, this is all the code you can see here, and see the history. And I think that would be a good demo to a good place to manage our work, and also see all the pull requests completed. No, okay. So I think that should give you an overview of this. The Visual Studio, you can make stories and create tasks. So in here, in the build and release, we have build, release, library, task groups, explorer. Currently, nothing test. And this is a test hub. Okay. Next, I will show you how to create a build style for all the integration, automatic continuous integration. So in the first, we will add create build steps. So in build and release, under builds, we create a new definition and click the empty. Basically an empty definition and no steps, so we can create our own. Make sure the repository is the correct one, and the default branch is the master. We're using master, and enable the continuous integration choice. So yeah, then we can create. We can add the build steps here. So the first one we add is a PowerShell under utility. You can see the icons is very easy to recognize. And another one is publish test results. Publish test results here. And the third one we'll add is copy and publish build artifacts. The utility, copy and build artifacts. Okay, I think that's all. Then we can configure all the steps. The script parse would be build PS1. And arguments would be this. We can directly copy it here. And the name is, do we have a name? Ah, here. Name, we can call it .NET restore build test and publish. Okay. Then for the public test results, we can change the format, test result format to XUnit from JUnit. Also for the test result file to this one. Okay, so the third one, and it's copy and public test results, so we can change the copy rules. Also the content should be a zip file, should be all the zip file, and drop name. Artifact name, it should be drop and artifact. And artifact type is server. Okay, so yeah, I think we're good at this moment. And note that the build 1 PS script contains commands using the .NET.exe executable by the .NET Core. So this build script does the following: the restore, build, test, publish, and produce the Microsoft deploy zip package. Okay, the next one, next thing is to add the variable that we'll be using our build PS1. So the name should be build configuration, and the value should be release. Okay. So another thing we need to do is modify the triggers. So click the triggers and check the continuous CI option. Already checked. And uncheck the batch changes. Okay. And the filter includes master. Okay, already includes. Yeah, I think that should be good. Then we can save the definition here. We can have a name like the CI. Just call it CI. Okay. Then we can go to our code and in the source. Website. In the controllers, we can just find something to modify. Home controllers. So let's try something here. Oh, we need to click the edit first. This is the demo for CI in Visual Studio Team Service. Then save. Commit it. Okay, let's check our build. See, it's already in progress. And if we click the number, we can see the whole progress. So it's initial waiting for an available agent. It's running. Okay, you can see all the steps here and the logs. So it's already done. It's recorded the time for each task. Okay. No, the build is failed. And we get a notification from the email. And if we go to here again, we can get a summarization for this build. Though something has changed to make this build fail, but previously I have made this one successfully. And go to this build. You can see like this one is built successfully, this one failed. And if I go to this one, you can have the overview of the test results, total test, and also has quick coverage stuff. The timeline, artifacts, and all the tests. And if I go to dashboard,